frustrating trying to figure out the details behind this locomotive when every single site, and it wasn't just the New York Times, decided to hide the article regarding it behind $1. And I know it's just $1, but I recognize the value of $1. And it just felt like they were taking me for a ride, and not like the fun train ride, like the kind of ride where they get $1 and I get information that I really felt like I shouldn't have had to pay for in the internet age. That's where I'm at. But it's okay. It's okay. I found a place where I can find it without having to worry about that. And we're talking about Germany again. And this goes way back to 1851 and 1852 when the locomotive was built. Details regarding this specific model are a little hard to come by because for a long time the records were lost, and this locomotive is quite literally one of a kind. The wheel layout isn't, but the locomotive itself is. There was never another one specifically like this one made, as far as I'm able to tell. It was originally manufactured by... Okay, look. First of all, this roughly translates to Mechanical Engineering Society, Carlsbad. But I know you guys very well. And I know that you will feel a bit chill. I know at least a solid intent to pronounce that. So here we go. Now, the ship did not sink that day, but the locomotive was thrown overboard. Due to the section of the Rhine that it was in, as well as the storm, the depth at that time was about 15 meters, so it was considered pretty deep for a river. The next month in March, a rescue attempt was actually made to get the locomotive out of there. They utilized the chain. They also originally used the current to their advantage, and they did it a few times, sometimes getting very close to bringing it up. But it always seemed to slip out of the chains, and as it got closer to the bank, it wound up being only about 9 meters deep, which is